We are finally going to install this guy here, which is the oil pan number 1 according to the manual, but this is probably mid oil pan or some, I mean, I heard 3 different names for this, but let's call this mid oil pan. So we're gonna finally install this guy into the engine block. We already have rear main seal, the front, which is the oil pump with the seal in there also. So it's time to drop this guy on top of it. Okay, so one thing I'm doing right now, I clean all the gaskets from inside this, guys. Still a little bit, but just so I don't have like old gaskets stopping my new gasket, because it's going to be inevitable. It's going to get in there. And one more thing I gotta do is I gotta get all the bolts, because they have a little bit of gasket in them also. So they are M8 125, and I'm gonna get my tap and die set. Just gonna fast forward some in here, and I'm going to just go through them and remove the gasket, or you know, renew the thread. So I'm gonna go like that. Some of them might be harder, some of them might be easy. Like this one went all the way to the end. I gotta clean them, and let's do it. Alright, boys and girls, so I did all of them. I'm going to show you all of them in a minute. So the big ones, they are M10 125, just in case you need to do it, and the smaller one is M8 125. So it's M8 and M10, both 125. The smaller one is a 12 millimeter and the long one is a 14 millimeter. You can use a wrench. I use this one because it has this thing here, and I can just flip it and it goes the other way. I mean, it works well for me, and good. So I guess we have studs clean. Check it out. There you go, like new. Studs clean, and everything else is clean. We are going to assemble this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a little bit in here, and I'm going to spread with my fingers later. So I'm following the design of the pan. Now quickly, I'm gonna get this here and put the O-ring down there, and let's go again. All right. So we're gonna zap all the bolts which are 12 millimeter, and then we're going to go for the big ones. So let me see, I'm missing a couple. So let me zap them. Let me tie them up real quick. There are 2 left, and the big ones. So, oh, 1, 2 here. 1 and 2. So now with a 14 millimeter, do those. 1 here, 1 there, 1 here. Okay, so I'm gonna double check all of them now. I'm gonna go back to 12. I'm gonna do that and come back in a minute. All done. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, make a little comment. I'm not sure, I don't know, it's weird to me to have such a high power, such a powerful engine, and you know, the 15 foot-pounds is like, but you know, it is what it is. Manual says, let's do it. But anyway, make a little comment if you are expert in 2JZ. I'm gonna appreciate it a lot. Check out my store if you have a chance, www.carmodsgarage.com, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.